Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to protect cells that contain formulas while still allowing users to edit other cells. Step 1. Understand locked cells. By default, all cells in Excel are locked. To see this, right-click a cell, Format Cells, or press Ctrl+1. Go to the Protection tab. You'll see the Locked checkbox is ticked. Important: the locked property only takes effect when the sheet is protected. If you protect the sheet now, review arrow Protect Sheet, without unlocking any cells, all cells cannot be edited. If you unlock cells first, they remain editable even after protecting the sheet. Step 2. Add your formulas. Let's say you have some sales data. Select the data range plus an extra row and column for totals. Use AutoSum to calculate totals, Alt plus equals. Step 3. Unlock editable cells. Select all cells on the sheet. The button at the top left corner, above row 1 and left of column A. Press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells. On the Protection tab, uncheck Locked. Click OK. Step 4. Lock only formula cells. Press Ctrl+G to open Go To. Click Special. Select Formulas. Click OK. This selects all cells with formulas. Press Ctrl+1, Protection tab, check Locked, click OK. Step 5. Protect the sheet. Go to Review, Protect Sheet. Optionally add a password. Click OK. Now, formula cells are protected. Trying to edit them will show a warning. Unlocked cells are editable, and formulas automatically update when you change values. That's it. You've successfully protected your formulas while keeping other cells editable. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll see you in the next Excel tutorial.